I've been trying to figure out if there is some guide to making a TBR that I don't know of, because I'm going to do this and I hope that I am going to be successful at this TBR. Meanwhile, I'm just learning what TBR stands for, to be read. So, if we learning, we growing, and I'm okay with that. My name is Mya D, and this year for 2024, I'm going to be doing a 27 to 27 challenge where I'm going to be reading 27 minutes per day, every day, as a way to kind of ground myself, grow, and pour into myself at the same time. So I have 3 books so far that I know that I want to approach in this 2024 year, and I'm trying to decide which one to start with. So the first one is this book that's been on my bookshelf for a while now, and I have to say, if this is your first time seeing me, I have to say that I am a dance educator, so I like to read books that live in the world of dance, that live in the world of education, or the marriage of the two. So these books are all going to be within the niche of dance, and more specifically, jazz dance. You'll see. Jazz Dance, The History of American Vernacular Dance. This book has been on my bookshelf for a while now, and I have not read it yet. And I'm going to be honest, the reason why I haven't read it yet is because I'm intimidated by the size of the book. It's a 400-page book, and that means that it would be one of the thicker books that I've read that I can remember reading. I feel like I might. It's a big book, and I'm intimidated by the size of it. But maybe this is a good year to read it, because 27 minutes, is a big dent in time. So maybe this is the year to do this. Is the year to do this book. That's why it's on my to be read. This is the year to do this book. My next 2 books were presents. So it is 2024, and here in the US we are just coming out of holiday season. Well, actually, technically today it's the last day of Kwanzaa here in the United States. So holiday season, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa are still in the air, and we've done a lot of gift exchanges, and 2 of the books that I received via the gift exchange are coming from my daughter. She went into my Amazon cart and got me these 2 books. The first one is Jazz Dance, A History of Roots and Branches. So this is kind of exciting. Definitely thinner than the first jazz book that was already on my bookshelf. Excited about this one. It's edited by Lindsay Guarino and Wendy Oliver. And then this last book that I have is Rooted Jazz Dance, Africanist Aesthetic and Equity in the 21st Century. And I was just looking at the back of this book. There are comments from Io Walker, who is a wonderful dancer, a wonderful educator that I've had the opportunity to meet, and Dr. Halifu Osumare, who's also a wonderful educator. Have not met, but have read some of Dr. Halifu's books. So I don't know. I'm thinking, like, trying to decide which one should I read first. Should it be the Rooted Jazz Dance? Should it be the Jazz Dance, A History of Roots and Branches, or Jazz Dance, The Story of American Vernacular Dance? Help me decide. Let me know in the comments below. Which one do you think I should read first? You could also let me know in the comments below, have you read one of these books? What were your takeaways? Or are you willing to get one of these books and read along with me? Because what I'm going to do as I'm reading the book is I'm going to share my takeaways from the books with you in my reading vlog, because I like to share information. I'm a dance educator. I like to share the information that I have, because the idea is that we get stronger together, and information is useless if it's not shared. So Let me know your thoughts about the books, which one I should read first. And also feel free to drop some comments, drop in the comments section some suggestions of other books, because I'm really excited about reading and learning more about dance and kind of just like getting into my little cover and having that time to myself to be better for myself so that I can be better for the people that I serve. Let me know your thoughts. Stay beautiful, stay strong, stay blessed, spread a good word, and I will see you again soon. Take care.